processing the blanks. ITE shells in concha or auditory canal form shapes are formed with venting, cerumen protection, and a faceplate. These tools and machines are used for processing the shell blanks. While fitting the faceplate dummy with the test faceplate in an ongoing procedure to measure the depth, the shell is ground flat on the frontal grinder until it is as small as possible. Parallel to this, the shell is repeatedly inserted into the silicone control form to check the position inside the ear. The auditory canal tip is ground flat to facilitate the insertion of the venting tube. A prefabricated venting tube is pulled through the shell, depending on the desired ventilation diameter. The two ends are twisted together on the outside. On the inside, the venting tube is worked in with an instrument until it fits snugly. Stable LPH modeling paste in the appropriate color is now distributed around the venting tube, while the auditory canal tip is simultaneously reclosed. In the curing process, the material is polymerized with a light pistol for at least 40 seconds. Once the curing is completed, the copper wire and the venting tube are carefully removed. The shell is placed in LP cleaner and then re-cured in the light curing unit for about 6 minutes. After being cured, the shell is again ground flat on the frontal grinder. It is then drilled for cerumen protection, first with the twist drill and then with the round burr. Then the cerumen protection drill hole is moistened with instant adhesive and the cerumen protection system is inserted. The faceplate, together with the test faceplate for depth measurement, is placed on the flat shell and then attached with instant adhesive. The overhanging sections of the faceplate are first roughly ground, then carefully adjusted to the shell with a soft transition until it appears as small as possible on the outside. The vent drilling is marked by guiding the vent ear light from the auditory canal and then through the drill hole to the faceplate. The light point indicates the spot where the vent drilling should be made. All ITE shells made of light curing materials should be smoothed before surface sealing. These tools and machines are used for smoothing. Short strips of Courant paper are attached to the sandpaper holder. At a speed of 10,000 RPMs, the surface is smoothed and the edges and trims rounded off. It is possible to use either a glaze or an anti-slip coating on all hard shells. These tools and machines are used to seal the surface. Extreme cleanliness must be maintained at all times when applying lacquer. The completely worked out blank is first cleansed with a surface cleaner to remove all traces of dust and grease from the surface. When sealing the surface with glaze coating, the LPH lacquer is applied as an even film with a dry red marten brush. The ITE shell is then fixed on the turning motor and placed in the light curing unit. The polymerization time depends on the type of unit used. The result is top quality, manufactured with EGA UV technology. Expertise in UV technology has a name, EGA.